In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate sum in Notion. We'll walk through a quick and simple way to add up values in a Notion database, like quantities, expenses, or any other number property you might be tracking. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your totals always show up automatically. First, open the Notion page that contains the database you want to work with. This can be a table, a board, a list, or any other database view, as long as it has a column with numbers. In this example, we'll focus on a column called quantity, but this will work for any numeric column you've set up, such as price, hours, almost, or amount. Start by moving your mouse to the bottom of the quantity column. You should see a small bar that appears in the footer area of that column. Click on the word quantity in that footer, or anywhere in that bottom section, to bring up the options for that column. This area is where Notion lets you control what kind of calculation is displayed. Once that menu opens, look for an option labeled Calculate. Go ahead and click on Calculate. This tells Notion that you want to show some kind of automatic calculation for this column. At this point, Notion might be showing something basic, like a count of how many rows you have, but we're going to change it. After you click on Calculate, you'll see a small list of different calculation types. To see the full set of options, click on More Options. This expands the menu and shows you additional ways to summarize your data, such as averages, minimums, maximums, and more. This is useful if, in the future, you want to explore different ways of analyzing your numbers. From this expanded list, find and click on Sum. As soon as you select Sum, Notion will automatically add up all the values in that column and display the total right in the footer of the quantity column. If you change any of the numbers in your rows later, the sum will update instantly, so you always have an up-to-date total without doing any manual math. That's all you need to do. Click on the column footer, choose Calculate, open More Options, and select Sum. Now your Notion database will always show you the total for that numeric column, helping you keep track of your data quickly and accurately.